Want to upgrade your space with the viral Amazon home gadgets that are selling out fast? These must-have finds are making everyday living easier, smarter, and way more convenient before they disappear. From clever organizers to game-changing home essentials, these are the gadgets you don't want to miss out on. All product links are in the description below. Your morning toast deserves better than guesswork. This 4-slot toaster has a touchscreen on each side, so two people can toast completely different things at different browning levels at the exact same time. Wide slots fit bagels, thick-cut bread, waffles, and muffins without squishing them. 6 browning levels plus defrost and reheat modes mean breakfast comes out exactly how you like it every single time. The removable crumb tray slides out for a quick clean, keeping your counter looking as sharp as the toaster itself. Stepping out of the shower into a cold towel is a small misery that's completely avoidable. This freestanding towel warmer heats up in about 10 minutes and keeps 5 towels warm, dry, and fluffy all at once. Set your preferred temperature anywhere between 110 degrees Fahrenheit and 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Program the timer, and your towel is ready exactly when you are. The rust-resistant aluminum frame stands up to daily bathroom humidity without corroding or losing its clean matte finish. No drilling, no installation. Just place it wherever you need it and plug it in. This is what your body has been asking for after a long day. This foam chaise lounger curves into a zero-gravity position, slightly reclined with legs elevated, which takes pressure off your spine, improves circulation, and helps reduce swelling in your legs and feet. The foam is engineered to be softer where your head and back rest and firmer where your legs sit, so every part of you feels supported. No assembly required, it arrives ready to sink into. A pillow is already included, so all you need to bring is yourself. Sitting up straight shouldn't require constant effort. This chair makes it automatic. The kneeling design distributes your weight between your hips and shins, which naturally tilts your pelvis forward and straightens your spine without you even thinking about it. A gentle rocking motion keeps shifting your pressure points so you never feel locked or stiff during long work sessions. The seat height adjusts to fit most standard desks, and the solid wood frame holds up to 250 pounds for years of daily use. Use it at your desk for meditation or cross-legged. It works beautifully either way. Washing grapes and blueberries one by one is nobody's idea of fun. This fruit spinner does it all hands-free. Just load it up, turn the crank, and a spinning vortex of soft bristles scrubs every single piece from every direction in seconds. It removes dirt, wax, and chemical residue without bruising delicate skin. When you're done, lift out the colander and the dirty water drains itself, leaving the bowl ready to serve straight from. Large enough to wash fruit for the whole family in one go. Homemade quesadillas, dumplings, and hand pies just got a whole lot easier and prettier. This Tortilla Sealer presses and crimps your stuffed wraps shut in one clean squeeze, locking the filling inside so nothing spills during cooking. The shark tooth edge design creates a tight seal and leaves a beautiful wavy pattern around every piece. 3 sizes are included to handle everything from small dumplings to large burritos. Toss them in the oven, air fryer, or microwave, and let the kids help press them shut because that part is genuinely fun. Sip smarter and ditch the plastic for good. These stainless steel straws double as a stirring spoon and a built-in filter, making them perfect for yerba mate, cocktails, iced coffee, or anything with loose leaves or pulp you'd rather not swallow. The fine 1mm filter holes let liquid flow freely while keeping every bit of debris out of your drink. A cleaning brush is included, so maintenance takes seconds, and they're dishwasher safe too. 3 in a pack, built to last years, the last straws you'll ever need to buy. That stubborn jar lid has met its match. This stainless steel jar opener grips any lid from tiny bottle caps all the way up to large mason jars with sharp dual teeth that lock on and won't slip. The long handle works like a lever, multiplying your grip strength so even the most vacuum-sealed lid surrenders without a fight. Oh, it's a lifesaver for anyone dealing with arthritis, weak hands, or just a particularly evil pickle jar. Hang it in a drawer, toss it in a bag, or keep it on the counter because you'll reach for it more than you'd expect. Eight hours at a desk shouldn't feel like a punishment. This ergonomic chair adjusts to fit your exact body. Lumbar support moves up, down, and forward to lock into your spine's natural curve, while the 3D headrest cradles your neck no matter your height. The breathable mesh keeps air flowing so you stay cool through long work sessions without the sweaty back of a foam seat. Pull out the built-in footrest, recline, and it instantly switches from work mode to full relaxation mode. Everything adjusts, nothing compromises. Your feet do a lot for you. It's time to return the favor. This rabbit-shaped silicone mat sticks firmly to your shower floor with 43 suction cups, so you can scrub both feet without bending down or losing your balance. Hundreds of soft bristles clean your soles, massage away tension, and reach between your toes to remove dead skin and calluses. Flip the small detachable pad onto the wall and it becomes a back scrubber too. Silicone dries fast, stays hygienic, and outlasts any loofah or sponge you've ever owned. The smallest packing win you'll ever make. These foldable flip-flops bend completely flat to slip into any bag, pocket, or carry-on without taking up real estate. Slip them on in hotel showers, gym changing rooms, beach sand, or poolside, wherever bare feet are a bad idea. The cushioned EVA sole absorbs impact and grips wet surfaces so you're not sliding around. Rinse them off, shake dry, and fold them back up in seconds. Most massage guns hit one spot at a time. This one covers the whole area at once. 16 massage heads work together to cover large muscle groups like your back, shoulders, and thighs without constant repositioning. 9 modes and 9 intensity levels mean you can go gentle after a long day at the desk or crank it up after a serious workout. The motor punches 10 millimeters deep into muscle tissue to break up real tension, not just surface soreness. One charge powers up to 7 hours of use, and the ergonomic handle lets you reach your own back without a struggle. Staying cool just got completely hands-free. This wearable neck fan drapes around your neck like a pair of headphones and blows air across your face from 78 tiny outlets. No blades, no tangled hair, no worries. 5-speed settings let you dial in exactly how much airflow you need, and the battery lasts up to 16 hours on a single charge. It runs at just 25 decibels, so it's whisper quiet whether you're at a concert, on a hike, or grinding through a long shift outdoors. Lightweight, twistable, and fashionable enough to wear anywhere. Good lighting and a steady shot. That's all it takes to look like a pro. This selfie stick doubles as a full tripod, stretching up to 170 centimeters tall so you're never stuck holding your phone at an awkward angle. 2 built-in fill lights rotate 360 degrees and switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones to flatter your face in any setting. The Bluetooth remote lets you snap photos or start recording without touching your phone at all. Toss it in your bag, and you've got a complete mobile studio wherever you go. Nail clippers haven't changed in decades until now. This electric trimmer automatically files your nails down evenly without any risk of cutting too deep or leaving jagged edges. A built-in LED light lets you see exactly what you're doing, and the clippings collect right inside the device so there's no mess to clean up. 3 speed settings make it gentle enough for babies and seniors, but fast enough for busy adults. 1 charge keeps the whole family's nails tidy for weeks. No laundry room, no problem. This foldable mini washing machine handles small loads wherever you are. Hotel rooms, dorms, tiny apartments. or even camping trips. Toss in your delicates, socks, or baby clothes. Pick from 3 wash cycles and let it do the work in as little as 3 minutes. Blue light technology gives everything a deep, hygienic clean without roughing up delicate fabrics. And when you're done, it folds down to half its size and slides under a bed or into a suitcase. Your favorite sweater isn't ruined. It just needs this. This fabric shaver buzzes away all those annoying lint balls, fuzz, and bobbles that make clothes look old and worn out. 2 speed settings and adjustable blade heights mean it works gently on delicate knits and more aggressively on tougher fabrics. The stainless steel blades stay sharp for years, and 2 replacements are already included in the box. Run it over a sweater, blanket, or couch cushion, and watch it look brand new again in minutes. Pedicure Day just got a serious upgrade. This footrest holds your foot at the perfect angle so you never have to hunch over or contort yourself just to reach your toes. A built-in LED magnifier lights up every detail, so your nail polish goes on clean and even every single time. When you're done, the mini drying fan gets your nails set faster so you're not tiptoeing around waiting. It even stores your tools right inside, so everything you need is in one place. Long flights and hard chairs meet their match. This inflatable seat cushion takes just 1 minute to pump up using its built-in hand pump, no extra tools, no hunting for an outlet. You control exactly how firm or soft it feels, so your tailbone and lower back get real relief instead of just a little extra padding. It folds down to the size of a small pouch and slips right into your carry-on without taking up precious space. Use it on planes, office chairs, wheelchairs, or even camping, anywhere sitting starts to hurt. Rain doesn't warn you, but this umbrella is always ready. Clip it to your bag with the built-in carabiner handle so it's never lost at the bottom of your stuff when the sky opens up. One button pops it open or snaps it shut. No wrestling with it while your hands are full. The reinforced 10-rib frame laughs in the face of strong winds, and the wide canopy comfortably covers 2 people. A reflective strip keeps you visible on rainy nights, and it blocks UV rays on sunny days too. One tiny gadget, 3 reasons to love it. This pocket-sized fan keeps you cool for up to 19 hours on a single charge, perfect for concerts, commutes, or anywhere summer decides to be ruthless. The blades fold neatly inside so it slips right into your pocket or bag without snagging on anything. Flip it to 270 degrees and it stands on its own as a hands-free desk fan. And when your phone is dying, it moonlights as a power bank. Plus, there's a built-in flashlight for good measure. Tight neck? Tense shoulders? This cordless neck massager brings the massage parlor straight to your couch. 4 rotating nodes mimic real human hands. Some grip like a palm, others press deep like a thumb, targeting the exact spots where stress loves to hide. Wrap it around your neck or hold it wherever it hurts, with or without the strap. Heat kicks in to soothe sore muscles, and 3 massage modes let you dial in exactly the pressure you need. One charge gives you 90 minutes of relief, and it automatically shuts off after 10 minutes so you never overdo it. Some beds put you to sleep. This one makes you never want to leave. This giant polar bear bed wraps you in the arms of a larger-than-life animal, turning any bedroom into a scene straight out of a dream. It's a head-turner for kids, but cool enough for adults who refuse to be boring. Turn your bedroom into the most talked-about room in the house, and the most comfortable one, too.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.